Social media is a big deal nowadays. You guys know that. We'll, of course, help you with it. We have staff members here that are experts, and it's helpful for multiple reasons. I like social media because you can brand yourself to your own audience. It would have been impossible to do this in the past. You put billboards all over town and TV commercials, and it would have cost you 6 figures per month. But in social media, you can brand yourself to your own audience. They'll see you all the time, and your conversion in that audience is high. They also work as a referral network for you. There's also ways to get out to social media so that you get into the demographics that you want to respond to you. You can get a direct response. You can do all sorts of things with it. You can do funneling, all sorts of things with social media. I also like social media because Google also on the organic side takes those clues from social media, and believe it or not, it's a major factor in how well your ranking occurs. If you think about it from just a Google perspective, if they have somebody with really well done social media and someone who doesn't, and they have links to those sites from a website, who are they going to show if everything else is the same? They're going to show the guy that has active social media because it's a better user experience for the Google user. And then, so not only does it help you in social media, but it helps you in organic rankings on the search engines. And then dial forward and look at the social media aspect. We can brand yourself to that audience, and like I said, get a higher rate of return with that audience, get a referral network, and it just helps all the way around. So social media is a long talk that can be had. We're happy to start you in one spot, get a return, and expand it. You can also pay Facebook and Instagram and different social media platforms to get your ads out there to people, just real similar like you can with AdWords or pay-per-click. Same thing, a little different way, and it can be a part of a great marketing campaign with a really high conversion to your network that you help produce, your community. And then you nurture that community and work on it, and we can of course help you with it. Please give us a call. We'd love to help you with social media.